Hello guys, I want to introduce to us an app that we'll be using to make money online. In this app, all you do is take survey and they pay you in dollar. Taking survey means answering questions. They ask you question, you answer and they pay you in dollar. Questions, some of those questions are things about you. They are not even difficult questions. Questions like your date of birth. And who doesn't know that? Your mother's name. Who doesn't know that? Your father's name, your address. Things like that. That is what they call survey. It's not until you start going high, you start making money. The higher you goes, the higher your questions and the more money you make. Okay? And trust me, we are on internet age now. Any question you don't know, you browse it and get the answer and give them. They pay you your money. Okay? Everything is achievable. Okay? Start taking actions. All right. Let me go straight to the app. This is how the app looks like. Why sense? So I will leave the link to this app below this video, so you go there and download it. Once you click on the link below this video, it will take you directly to the app so that you will download it and start making money ASAP. So this is how my dashboard looks like. I just downloaded this app not quite long ago. I've done three survey and this is what I made. So if you want to look at another one, they gave me now 50 minutes survey and they are going to pay me $3.66. That's what they are going to pay me if I do that one now. So these are the things on the app. This one is discovery. So other things that you can do and they will pay you. All right, look at it. So if you have the time, just give it a small time, you will make money. This is the blog site. Okay, you will make money here. All right, you'll be making money on daily basis. This is where you cash out. This is your cash out point. You can cash out through PayPal. You can cash out through Amazon gift card. Okay, you can cash out through Payoneer. If you don't have PayPal, you should have a Payoneer if you want to make money online, because they use Payoneer steady and Payoneer is easier to open than PayPal. So this is how you cash out your money. This is the activity. Okay, this is where you see the activities. All right, this is your referral. You refer and earn. Okay, once you refer to your friends, send them the referral code, send them the link. They will join with that link. Okay, you will start making money. That's why I say you should use the link below this video so that I that introduce to you, I will still make money. Okay, I said share wine sense with your friends and watch your earning grow. If you download this app now through this my link, even when I'm not doing anything and you are doing something, your own money is growing, my own is growing. Out of the money you are earning, I will earn 30% from out of the money you are earning. What you earn, I will earn 30% of it from you. The money is not coming from you, as in that is my pay for introducing this app to you. Okay, So once you download it, also introduce it to your friends and your family. Anyone you like, introduce them to this app so that they will start making money as you make yours. Okay? Okay. So this is how this app looks like. This is the dashboard. Okay. This is the dashboard. This is my own account. Okay. So I'm gonna take this survey now, but because of time, let me not be wasting you guys time so that you go and download it and start doing your own. All right. Okay. So if it's your first time coming to this channel, please like this video, give it a thumbs up, and trust me, download this app. It is a sure money making. Once you download it, answer your first question, they will give you is an app you can download. Under 20 minutes you have made money. I'm not joking. Okay, once you download it, you register and start making money ASAP. Okay, look at the questions. Okay, look at the question they ask here. Our system is able to select the earning opportunities that best fit you once you share some basic information with us. The more you share, the better we can match earning opportunities with you. That's it. What is the first question here now? If you own or lose a vehicle, did you buy them new or used? That is it. The first option, new. The second option, used. The third option, owned both. They are new and used. The fourth option, I don't own or lose a vehicle. The fifth option, prefer not to answer. That's number one. Okay, just like that. If you start answering all these questions now, you submit, they pay you. That's how it works. Okay, so I believe and I trust you make money with this app. If today is your first time of coming to my channel or you have not subscribed, please click that subscribe button and subscribe. All right, like this video, give it a thumbs up and put on the notification bell so that whenever I upload any video, YouTube will be the first to notify you and you will be the first to start taking advantage of it. Love you. Bye.